forces you to think. And think in a way that questions that you did not even think existed, or questions that I personally did not think were even important. It made me think all of that. And believe me, I was uncomfortable. I hated it. It was so much churning of brains, so many new ideas, so many new ideologies, and I hated it in the beginning. But now that I'm here and it's been good, whole, amazingly roller coaster like 5 months, I'm very proud of the fact that I chose this.
2010 साली या कॉलेजमध्ये आलो आणि ओरिजिनल त्यावेळेस आलेल्या आम्हाला जे सेंटर ऑफ एक्सलन्स म्हणून सांगितलं गेलं होतं त्याची आम्हाला अनुभूती पुढच्या काळात लगेचच येऊन गेली आणि खरोखरच हे एक सेंटर ऑफ एक्सलन्स बनलेलं आहे आणि याचा पुरेपूर फायदा ग्रामीण भागातल्या युवकांना होत आहे.
Established in 1936, the Tata Institute of Social Sciences was a pioneering endeavor initiated by the Sir Dorabji Tata Trust, aimed at creating a cadre of dedicated human service professionals who would work with disadvantaged communities to address social problems. It is a unique educational space that has, from its inception, brought together theory and practice in innovative ways, with a strong commitment to social justice. From post-partition relief work in the 1940s to a proactive response to disasters over the years, the Institute has made substantial contributions to the welfare of the nation. Through its teaching, training, research and field action, it has shaped national policies and programs, consistently upholding the rights of the marginalized. In 1986, its Golden Jubilee year, the Institute decided to set up a rural campus with the idea of developing a greater focus on rural development within social work.
We had the Golden Jubilee 85 and we were discussing what should we do for the Golden Jubilee. I said at least one thing we should do which is durable and long term, and I said we have a very high urban presence because we are in a city. We don't have a rural presence except for the few research projects we do. We come back, we're not impacting on rural life.
The government of Maharashtra generously provided 100 acres of land in Tulzapur in Osmanabad district. Located in the semi-arid, drought-prone region of Marathwada, from its very inception, the rural campus, now the School of Rural Development, sought to design programs and strategies for sustainable, eco-friendly and equitable empowerment of rural communities.
But I had said in my letter that the land should be in a low rainfall and a high poverty area. So at that time, Mr. Deshmukh, the principal secretary of the state government, so he was very surprised. He called me. He said, "Why do you want everything that nobody wants?" I said, "Because how do we make any impact? We want a land where we can show what social work can contribute to."
In the first phase of its work, the emphasis was on field action in the areas of education, health, agriculture and watershed management through a process of involving village communities in their own development, empowering them to effectively access government programs and schemes. The educational and training programs of the SRD emerged out of this rich field experience and were initially aimed at developing capacities at a grassroots level, working with local self-government bodies, women's groups and government functionaries. After the earthquake of September 1993, which devastated many villages in Latur and Osmanabad districts, it was involved in relief and rehabilitation work for several years. Over the years, the SRD has created awareness programs on the right to work, the right to education, health, and human rights.
Regular interactions are not only with the faculty, staff, student, friends here, but also with the villages around this area has greatly helped me in understanding the rural issues to a great extent.
My research area is also all on the migration, the sugarcane migrant who work for the sugarcane cutting. So I am looking the issues of their plights, their sufferings.
It has provided legal support services for women and communities belonging to the nomadic and denotified tribes.
पण मी टाटा समाज कल्याणमध्ये आल्यानंतर गेल्या 2 वर्षापासून जे अनुभव घेतला त्या अनुभवातून
It has addressed the chronic problem of drought through watershed development and facilitated microplanning in 14 villages under the Integrated Rural Development Program. With a consistent focus on women's empowerment, SRD has trained women representatives in panchayats and helped to form Mahila Mandals and self-help groups. It has built local capacities through training and exposure visits for government officials such as BDOs, agriculture extension officers, Gram Sevaks and Anganwadi workers.
शरीरामध्ये आता हे आपण मी अंतर तुम्हाला सांगितले कुठे कुठे कशी वाढवली आपल्या शरीरामध्ये महिलांच्या
We have been working with a philosophy and language in which the interest of the poor come first, and we believe, strongly believe, that all the people have a right for equal material and social and cultural well-being.
Today, through its diverse programs of teaching, training, field action, research and documentation, SRD continues to contribute to the revival of the rural economy, society and polity by promoting alternatives in development.
We started our preparation for academic program from 2000 onwards, and 2004 we have begun our BSW course. And that course, in fact, we have developed on the basis of experience we gained from the field.
It has built a strong multidisciplinary faculty team drawn from social work, philosophy, sociology, economics, agriculture, and other related disciplines.
It's just like this campus is like this, where we get all urban amenities in a typical rural areas. We have 24/7 electricity, water facilities, Wi-Fi and all information services. So that is another charm of this campus.
I'm not just studying here. Our field work and work which we are doing, we are actually influencing policies on a small level.
Campus is whole surrounded by nature, and students are very cooperative and always helping me out, and I'm spending very good time here.
टाटा इन्स्टिट्यूटने आजपर्यंत जे समाजकार्य केले त्याची एक अनुभूती म्हणून जो सर्वसामान्य माणसाला टाटाचा विद्यार्थी किंवा टाटाशी संबंधित माणूस म्हणून जो सन्मान मिळतो तो खरोखरच विलक्षण आनंद देणारा सन्मान असतो. आणि त्याच्यामुळं टाटा इन्स्टिट्यूटचे इतके या परिसरातल्या लोकांवर उपकार आहेत म्हटले तरी वावगं ठरणार नाही.
The academic programs, first initiated in 2004, have expanded to include a 3-year bachelor's degree in social work, a 2-year master's degree in social work with specialization in rural development, an interdisciplinary 5-year integrated BA/MA in social sciences, and MPhil and PhD programs. through the establishment of watershed and water management initiatives, efficient management of available resources, well-developed teaching, learning and residential facilities, and a networked campus, TISS Tulzapur has become a model for sustainable and ecologically responsive institutional development in the region. The campus is continually growing and introducing innovative programs that will create committed professionals in fields that require multi-pronged approaches, bringing together policy, advocacy, and practice in the region.
What is unique about Tulzapur campus is that it integrates practice of direct relevance to people's lives with potential for long-term sustainability. That kind of outreach program that involves faculty, students, and it involves working with the people and the local self-government and the administration.
The dedication and continued efforts by the faculty, staff and students have produced fruitful and long-lasting relationships with communities in the region. Building on its past contributions and its present potential, TISS Tulzapur seeks to transform and develop the region into a key educational hub for Maharashtra that will impart and generate meaningful knowledge to promote social justice, people's participation, and equitable development.